Minista wa Urimi ajanthi gurune mithika LINTURI nonanitie witikio bwawe kiri gukura bunene kwa rwangi rwa majani. Ajanthi gurune LINTURI augite ati na nkanja nandi urimi bubu bwitite na mbere bubwega kinya kumane na wingi bwa majani jaria jendetwe ndene ya mwaka jumwe na nusu wake, na augite bari na mibango nkabo ya gutigira murimi wa majani ni agukura buru na kinya gukenera urimi bubu. Boniface Mwongera katutaririe.
Na kwena wirigiro bwa kuendelea kuriba kimera kia majani ninya kuingia morio tuja gwetana mbere uria twitite. Eje ni ote mearie kwa ni ministeri meja ndhiru ne Kenya bwana mithika LINTURI akeria andiki bante tuthakenda shantu kwena arua are ugite na kwethirwa gikumiro litiwa ministry ewe mwathirikari Kenya kwanza muno kinito shori wa majani na nikyo ntito shimaririto.
Since this administration took office in 2022, the total foreign earnings for tea were 139 billion. In the first year of this administration, we shot from 139 billion to 180 billion. That was 30th June last year. By today, and we've not sold the tea for June before we declare our budget and before we declare the second payment, which is popularly known as bonus. We have shot, or we have gone beyond 200 billion.
Wagerithu wagitaramu Urimi Bwa Majani kana gichongo validation ja kwangerekana kwambirwa kiwanda iko brand majani ya Kenya ruterwa kiricho into bimwe bitumite majani ya Kenya yethro jena nkanya.
The tea value chain is one that we promise this country that will ensure that we really look for greater markets for tea. We will make sure that we establish common user facilities for branding of our Kenyan tea. We also promised that we will endeavor to ensure that our tea gets into the national market with the brand of Kenya and that mark of origin.
Minista mithika LINTURI akwareja nyuma kwethirwa kinenkanira MPUMI ITHURANO directors ba majani birabira ithitu inkiama ya IBC
Meru Embu
waziri LINTURI netikaniria MPUMI aria uritie barabara thulirwe Pedro bekuja shati chero nya blouse baringe ichembe nthi ukuruna Pedro bagitira ntungoge chora barabara ki manifesto jao.
I urge the newly elected directors to immediately initiate the full implementation of reforms by reviewing the articles and memorandum of association of the tea factory companies to adopt the best governance practices. Once confirmed through the first special general meeting, I urge directors to undertake lotting that will guide the rotation practice to promote participatory leadership.
Mungana jo 52 kumakirigana jo Urimi Bwa Majani warwashumiria kwithirwa bethurana aria bathurite kithire baberu kana directors 52 factory mwake ruterwa Nyeri ni ithirwa ikithurana ndi kuringana waziri mithika LINTURI no gitithurano bio bikithirwa beithika kiume twitite.
Now, since the elections of the directors at the small tea factories are over, we'll also be getting into the next phase where the zones will be electing their also representatives who will also finally go to the KTDA holdings to elect the KTDA directors.
Nke report Rantoshero TV weekend kumaja kingina ngine kinya kimushisha Nairobi mbeta Boniface Mwongera.